Now you heard of the old adage, red in the morning, sailor's warning, red at night, sailor's delight. But do you know what that means, and is it actually accurate? Well, let's answer those questions for you, and first let's start with red in the morning, sailor's warning. This does imply that the sun is rising in the east under a clear sky. Now we know, generally speaking, storms move from west to east, so this does show that we have some cloud cover to the west, and that means storm movement west to east. Now, it looks red because the sun's rays are scattering onto the high cirrus clouds of the storm, and that is reflected back to you with a reddish hue. Now, this could mean a warning because storms will be approaching at some point throughout that day. Now, let's flip over to red at night, sailor's delight. This implies that the sun is setting in the west under a clear sky, but there's some storms in the east. Now we're going to see once again a reddish hue because as the storm exits to the east, we'll have those sun's rays scattering on the high tops of the cirrus clouds, and in turn that reflects back in a reddish hue once again. Now this is positive, or could be positive for a sailor, because that means the storms are moving on out and it should be a clear night ahead. Now this is weather folklore because this isn't always true. Now the sky may be red with or without clouds for the sunrise or sunset. We know storms don't always move from west to east. They can move northeast, southeast, north, south, or many other different directions. Cloud development, including cirrus clouds, are not always associated with thunderstorms, and cloud cover can vary across the sky and cover a fourth, third, half, or the entire sky. If you would like to learn more about this topic, just read on below.